to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing something that I won from my friend Liz from Queen of Hearts _LA, and here it is, you guys. I'm super excited, and I actually got this last week, the day that I left to Colorado, and I was actually planning on opening this in Colorado or on the way or like in the hotel or something, but I just didn't have time because I was super exhausted and I was super busy, and I felt bad not opening it because I had told her that I had already received it. But anyways, I'm going to open it today because I can't wait any longer, and I want to know what I won because I mean, I know something that I won, but I don't know if she sent me something else or not. So anyways, thank you so much, Liz, for this giveaway. I'm super excited and very grateful. You guys should go check her out. She has a lot of good videos. She does makeup videos, she does unboxings, hauls, she also does like vlogs, so make sure to go check her out, you guys. Super excited. Okay, this is so cute, you guys. She sent me a card and it has beautiful little hearts. Look at that. It says, "Congratulations, Marilyn." It's super cute. I love the green card, and her favorite color is green. And let me open up the card, and here is the card. It says "Trick or Treat." She actually had this giveaway for Halloween, but she didn't have time to announce the winner until like, I believe it was January, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm still very excited and grateful, and I love Halloween. Okay, and here is the card inside. I'm going to read it. Hopefully she doesn't mind. It says, "Congratulations, Marilyn. Thank you so much for entering my giveaway. So happy to be a part of an amazing community along with you and everyone on YouTube. Glad to be part of your journey. Thank you for being part of mine. Much love, Liz." And the card says, "Hope you're brewing up the perfect recipe for a spectacular Halloween." Anyways, thank you so much, Liz. I really appreciate it, and I'm really grateful for your friendship as well. So thank you so much. She put little hearts in there. Super cute. Okay, it has bubble wrap and it has more hearts. Very cute. So the first thing that I see here, it is a face mask, and this one is the Earth Therapeutics Soothing Aloe Vera Mask, calming, healing, and hydrating. I'm super excited for this one. I love aloe vera, so thank you so much, Liz. Okay, and here is the next thing right here. I really like the black tissue paper. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super excited. And it is the eyeshadow palette that I won. I'm super excited. And this one is the Makeup Revolution Jack palette. Super cute, very adorable. I'm super excited. Thank you so much, Liz. I really appreciate it. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I am in a different background. And well, my makeup is on this side, and on this side I have like school stuff. So if you guys want to see a certain part of my mess, let me know. And on that corner over there I have like the first TV that my brother gave me. That was like in 2010, a long time ago. Okay, anyways, I just opened it up right now. I'm super excited for this because I've seen so many people do beautiful looks with this palette. And so this is what the palette looks like. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So this is the first half. Very pretty. I love the colors. I love that most of these shadows have Jack's face. Super cool. I'm excited. I'm not gonna swatch them right now because I am in a hurry, but I will be doing a video soon with this palette. So thank you so much, Liz. I'm super excited for this, and oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. And here is the other side. Very beautiful bright colors. I love bright colors. I'm super excited for this. But anyways, I already love this palette. It looks so beautiful and I can't wait to try it out. So thank you so much, Liz. And I love that it looks like a book. It looks so cool. Or like a DVD case, I guess. Anyways, I will be trying that out very soon. Hopefully this week. Okay, let's see. What else did she send me? Oh my gosh, what is this? It looks super cute because it has little pizzas. It says "Donut Hate." So like, do not hate. Hey, home slice. Let's talk about it. That's super cute. This is like a little agenda, I guess. A little planner. Like a purse agenda or pocket agenda or something like that. So this is so cute. So thank you so much, Liz. I really love this. I love agendas. I use them every single day, and this is going to be perfect for either school or like, I don't know, my workouts or something. I don't know. And this is not numbered, so this is perfect. So I could start with February right here. And yeah, I'm super excited. And then she also sent me another little notebook, And this one has pretzels. I love food. So this is perfect. Oh, it has another heart in here. So this is just a blank notebook. So this is going to be perfect for like drawings and all of that. So thank you so much, Liz. I really love everything that you sent me. That is everything that she sent me. So I'm super excited and very grateful. Thank you so much, Liz. I'm just super happy and I can't wait to use everything. Make sure to go check her out, you guys. Her YouTube name is queenofhearts_LA. I will have her YouTube channel right here, and I will also have it linked in the description box. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, Liz actually gave me this shirt right here that I'm wearing. She gave me this shirt for my birthday in September, so thank you so much, Liz. I love it. I wear it all the time. So anyway, since I still have a little bit of time, I am going to be unboxing this little bag right here, and I actually ordered this from Instagram from this girl that sells like headbands and earrings and all those things. Her Instagram is Ellie's Beauty. I will put her name on the screen. I will also have her Instagram handle in the description box so you guys could go check her out. And she actually lives in Jurupa Valley. That's where I used to live before moving here. But anyways, she sent it in this little cute pouch right here. I just decided to include it in this same video because I think I only ordered like 2 or 3 things, so I didn't want to make a whole video for this. And she does live videos all the time to sell her stuff, and she has a lot of cute stuff, so you guys should definitely check her out. Okay, so it comes with a little card. It says gracias por tu compra. It's in Spanish. It says thank you for your purchase. Comparte tu compra en Instagram or Facebook. It says share your purchase on Instagram or Facebook, and also tag me so you could win a prize. Anyways, this is not sponsored. Oh, and here's her Instagram on the bottom right here. Ellie's Beauty. She doesn't know that I'm doing this video, and I don't even think she knows I have a YouTube channel. Okay, so she wrapped it in this little wrapping paper here. Ooh, cool. She sent me a little hand sanitizer. I did not order this, and this one is from Beauty Creations. Oh, this is a peach scent. Very cute. That's really nice of her, so thank you so much, Ellie, if you ever watch this. I really doubt it. But anyways, ooh, this is so cute. I forgot I ordered these. Damn it, I should have opened this in Colorado. Anyways, I forgot I ordered these, and these are like little gloves. Damn it, I could have wore these in Colorado. And it's little bear paws. Look at that, you guys. Oh, something fell. Look at these. These are so adorable. It's like a little bear paw. And the back is just plain black. Here, let me put these on. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. But anyways, these are perfect for me because my room gets cold. I mean, it's getting pretty warm already, but when it's cold in here, my hands get really cold, and this is going to be perfect. That way I could still type. And yeah, anyways, they're super cute, and it does have like the little fingers, and it fits really nice and like snug. Damn it, I should have opened this in Colorado, and I did have it in my car. Very cute, and these were only $5. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and they're super cute. She does have other colors. I'm not sure if she still has them, but if you guys want some of these, make sure to go check out her Instagram and send her a message or something, or just go through her pictures. So yeah. Anyways, very cute and adorable, and I love them. And you know what? I'm going to keep them on because why not? Okay, the next thing that I ordered, oh yes, oh my gosh. So I ordered these cute little earrings, and it comes in this little pouch, and these are adorable. I actually saw this girl that I used to go to church with in Colorado, and she posted a picture with these earrings. I saw that she tagged this girl, the Ellie's Beauty, and so I'm like, oh, let me go check it out, see if she has more of these earrings, because I thought they were super cute. And so that's how I found her. Look at these. I think these were also $5, and it's little fishes. They're super cute, very adorable. They feel heavy. I can't wait to wear these. I'm not exactly sure if she's going to have more of these, but just ask her. And yeah, the last 2 things I ordered from Ellie's Beauty, it is 2 headbands. And let me show you this one first. She has a lot of beautiful headbands, like very pretty and with like jewels or stones or gemstones or whatever you call it. But anyways, this is the first one that I ordered, and look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's super pretty. At the bottom it has a little plastic thing right here so it doesn't hurt your ears. Let me put it on, and so that's what it would look like. Isn't that cute? I used to have some of these when I was smaller, and when I saw these, I'm like, I have to get one. I love it. I'm super happy that I did. And I think this one was $3 and this other one was $5. So let me open this one up. So here is the other headband, and look at it. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? It's so pretty, and I feel like they're super affordable, and I just really like how they look. That's what it looks like. It's super cute. So anyways, that is everything that I got from Ellie's Beauty. I will have her Instagram linked in the description box so you guys could go check her out. And also make sure to go check out my friend Liz from queenofhearts_LA. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.